How to fix people nearby not loading on Telegram. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back to your home screen and open App Store. Now search here Telegram. Now click on Telegram. Now here you can check your Telegram update. If your Telegram have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your Telegram, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Telegram, and here you offload your Telegram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.